welcome back. In this video we go to Christchurch.
Yeah, we've got a couple of small warranty jobs to get tidied up on the Jayco.
Then we're just going to have a look around Christchurch. We might actually venture over to Akaroa.
Yeah, we want to see if the road's okay to take the caravan over there. It's evidently quite a
windy road.
Windy road,
But curvy road.
Curvy road.
But it sounds like it's pretty spectacular over there, so we might go over there and have a look.
Yeah.
And just basically chill out, catch up with some friends and relatives, and just basically have a good time.
Yeah.
Hey.
Cool. Thanks for watching. How do you tell them all apart? They all look the same.
No, they do. I've got you down for the noisy slide out, needs to be repaired.
Yep.
Is that sort of twisting a bit or something?
No, it doesn't look like it's twisting. It makes a grumbly noise. This is my darling wife, Sandy.
Hello, how are you, Sandy? I'm Ivan. Hi.
Yeah, they sort of indicated that maybe the slide out might be a fairly major job. So we're pretty flexible on time.
Right. So we're going to need it all day anyway.
Oh, well, you can have it for a couple of 3 days if you want.
Okay, well see how we get on with trying to get them in and out the same day, but have you got other accommodation?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's appreciate that. That's
just takes the pressure off, eh? Okay. Just here, that slide out. I mean, we've got room there, haven't we?
There's room, yeah. You always have the bed up when you're in and out.
Definitely, yep.
And always take it all the way out.
All the way out, yep.
Always all the way in.
Yep.
Sounding pretty normal at the moment.
It is actually.
Oh.
Yeah, and it gets quite a bit louder than that.
Mainly on the way in.
Yeah, mainly on the way in, and loud grindy noises.
Yep.
But that's the quietest I've heard it. Of course, that's always the way when you go to a workshop, isn't it? Hey, that's just how life is. Oh, we're very happy with it. Fantastic, man. Fantastic.
I mean, they're heavy, but they tow well, and they.
Oh, they're heavy. Yeah, that's
help
right.
To last, you know.
We weighed ourselves all up with 40 kilos under 6 tonne.
Okay.
Need to lose weight.
So you got that fridge going? Oh, you got it unplugged, don't you?
Yeah. Okay, I'll do that now.
It'll be plugged in the power in the workshop anyway.
And you'll want a wheel on, won't you?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm going to do the commentary because Sandy is driving, and when she's driving she concentrates. She is one of the best drivers that I have ever been a passenger with. But anyway, we are off to Akaroa. Just dropped the caravan off at Jayco, and we're gonna go and have a look at Akaroa because we can't think of anything else to do. And we might go and stay out here, who knows. A nice spot.
It's beautiful, yeah.
Where are we going?
Akaroa.
Okay.
Very nice.
Look at that. Lovely spot. Beautiful day here. Only people on this little wharf. There's a few people over having coffee and stuff, wasn't there? But she's pretty quiet. Mind you, it is a Wednesday in the middle of, or beginning of March.
So do you think we'll bring the caravan over here? The road's a little bit...
Road's pretty extreme.
As I said, curvy.
Curvy.
It's a curvy road.
Yeah, curvy road. I don't know, we'll see what the caravan parking's like and see what the park looks like over here. Maybe.
We'll make a decision.
Cool.
Yeah. You think you'll be able to drive the road towing a caravan?
Yep.
I drove the road and that was bad enough for me.
It was a funny old road,
It
wasn't
was,
But,
yeah. Look at the view we've got here. Beautiful. That's Akaroa down there. Very nice. So one of the things we find full-time travelling on the road is where to clean a caravan. It's very easy to go through a car wash and get your car washed, but a lot harder to take a caravan through a car wash. So at the campsite we're staying at now, they said we can wash a caravan, which is fantastic. So here we are at Whedon's NZMCA camp, just at a Christchurch. Fairly decent sized park with a good social area, great facilities, and there's even a dog run for the Holly dog.
There we go, Christchurch. What a lovely place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
We did venture over to Akaroa, as you saw. We thought that we didn't have much time this time around to actually go there, and we didn't want to go on a weekend, so we'll just have to come back.
Yeah, that's all there is to it.
Cool. Thanks for watching. See you
ya.
next time.